So as a developer, I often find some tasks that I thought it should be pretty easy. It should not take me more than 5 minutes and end up with taking me much longer, say 10 minutes, half an hour, or even longer. Through this theory of videos, I'm going to record some tasks that used to take me much longer time, and now I can do it much faster. So for example, I'm copying some code and paste it to VS Code, and I noted that there are multiple carried returns or change lines. I want to remove the duplicate lines. I can do it this way, just delete, delete, and delete, delete. I don't want to repeatedly delete it. Let's see if there is some easier ways. What we can do is we can use replace multiple change line, change it to one change line, and replace. Done. Of course, the tasks is not always so easy. Say if we have some randoms of spaces, this won't work because this cannot match all the spaces. We can do it slightly different by matching spaces and returns. And then we want to keep the leading spaces for the last one by doing it this way. So we want to keep it. We want to keep the first change line and the last spaces. So then we say keep first one and also keep the second one. Done. To give you a bonus, for this specific case, I have created a plugin for Chrome, which is called Copy Code. So if you click copy, it will copy the code actually without spaces. I hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe. I'll keep posting such videos. Thank you.